economic achievement the Misamis Occidental accomplished as mentioned in the governor's speech. A. Lowest unemployment rate in the Philippines. B. Highest per capita GDP in Northern Mindanao. C. Largest exporter of seafood in Mindanao. D. The fastest growing tech industry in the region. Knock in your score. Na problema na nito yung mga hindi nag-lesson ng speech ni Governor. Ha? What's your guess? Letter B ko, no? Di ba kayo certain yan? Baka that's wrong. Huwag mo na magsaya. Screen, please give us the correct answer. Congratulations. Oh, grabe, no? 16 and 1, 17. Nawala na siguro isa. Alright, now next question please. What was the name of the trade road connecting Asia and Europe from the 2nd century BCE to the 15th century CE? A. Spice Road, B. Silk Road, C. Spice Road, D. Silk Road. Just try your guess. 1, 0. Time is up. Make sure your responses natin. Para sa mga nag-iupo. I guess that's not the USTP, tama? Grabe kalipay nila. And the correct answer is letter D. And let's start with navigation. A. Inertial Navigation System or INS. B. Global Positioning System or GPS. C. Geosynchronous Tracking Protocol or GTP. Or D. Satellite Data Transmission Network or SDTN. Lock in your